So today we'll take a look at how you can make animated black bars in DaVinci Resolve to give your video more of a cinematic feel. So what we're going to do is we'll just make sure our pointer is at the end of our timeline. We've already put a video on there. And we're going to go into our video section, and what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down to cropping. I'm going to add some cropping to the top and the bottom. So we're just going to click the little red diamond to make, well, the white diamond to make it turn red. So once we've done that, you can come back to your video clip on your timeline and click the diamond. It's like half black, half like transparent or blue. And you'll see that we have our keyframe. Next, we're going to just drag our pointer somewhere else. We're just going to mute that so it doesn't play any audio for us. And what we do is we're going to add some cropping to the top and the bottom. I personally like 150 crop in DaVinci Resolve. I feel like this is a nice place. It gives a nice cinematic vibe, especially on something like a 1080p video. So if we go back to the start of our video now, you will see that we click play at black bars slowly come in. If we want, we can move this pointer around to give it a more tighter or wider feel, depending on what you like with your video. As you can see, there it goes. And next what we can do is, next to this diamond that we have clicked, you see this little line. And we can give it a bit more of a professional feel, if you will. So we click this line, and we're just going to highlight over our 2 points on our timeline. So now both of our keyframes are red. You can scroll down to see that there, but all we're going to do is we're going to click this curved line, the very first one here. You see this one at the moment, the straight line is selected. So next we're going to click the curved line. You scroll down, you'll see the curved line is now in effect. If we go back and we play, you'll see that it comes in more fluidly, I feel. It's not as robotic or rigid, should I say. It's a bit more fluid and it feels a bit more alive, I'd say. But yeah, that's how you animate black bars to come in to give your video a cinematic vibe in DaVinci Resolve. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.